What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, there's something a little bit different. It's snowing, like it has been for the last month and a half. I felt fairly guilty about not being able to get you guys any videos, so we decided we're gonna take the toys out today and do some off-roading in the snow. It's not gonna be anything crazy. Neither one of us are super prepared for this. Bad Company just bought himself this new gorgeous Toyota Tacoma. My camera lasted approximately 1.1 second. Let's try this again. I'm hoping not. We're not gonna be hitting. Oh, there it fell again. God damn it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, we're back. Camera, stay.
Feels like a little mountain goat. So much smaller than my Ram. This is really the third time I've driven it.
Well, what better way to break it in?
Right.
I'm sorry it's not more of an entertaining angle. I mean, the hood is, woo, I'm looking at the hood. At least you get a look at the ass end of Bad Company's new vehicle. I'm jelly. So we are actually back out at the desert, which might look a little bit different considering it's covered in snow and the water's frozen and it does not look the same. I was gonna try to make up 3, but I didn't have 3 to compare to.
And the health is knowing.
I will see you on the other side. Don't know what's on the other side.
Don't give yourself something that can't pull you out.
I brought a tow rope, so we should be fine.
I'm gonna let you go first now.
Ooh, shit, this gets a little soft. I'm headed for the trees. Oh, damn, you're way back there. Uh-oh. I may be in a snowdrift. How did this happen? What am I stuck on? It looks like flat ground.
No, you're stuck already?
I'm sitting on flat ground and I'm just stuck. Oh my God, it's deep. It's like the sand just let go out from underneath me.
I'm the first victim. Power 27 in the 4Runner.
Man, that's all the way up to the bottom of the vehicle too. Well, this is the sort of situation I've found myself in. Once I get my microphone. There we go. As you can see, it didn't take long for me to find a nice big pile of fucking sand. It just sunk. Right there, wheel completely on. Right there, wheel completely buried. Just fucking sunk in that hole. Well, I'm free from the hole. That's the hole. That was all the way up to the underskirt. That's my drag pan right there. I mean, this is just, it's softer than an 80-year-old man's erection. Yeah, if that Tacoma wasn't here, I think I would be leaving the 4Runner on the beach. All right, we are back in the car again, but at least we're out of that hole.
I gotta admit, I'm not looking forward to the whoops. Oh, this is gonna handle that.
Well, we can avoid those if we absolutely have to, but I'd like to just go over there and see them. Damn, dude, that just looks cool. Like, you can see, like, the electronics, like, fighting it, getting you out. The whole bed is just rocking back and forth.
Look at that. It's like a little Billy Goat.
I'm gonna call your vehicle Billy from now on.
Her name is Lady Peckinpah.
Lady Peckinpah?
Yep, Lady Peckinpah. That's my truck's name.
Sounds like it should be marrying its cousin.
Sounds like a lovely little truck. I'm not really sure how to go from here.
None of this is really looking that familiar to me either.
Oh my goodness, I will go down this. But I wanted someone down at the bottom filming it.
We've made approximately a quarter of a mile worth of distance so far. It's slippery. All right, here he goes. You're gonna pull to the right, so when you come down, try to come or you're gonna pull to my left, or your left, my right. So try to come down more to your right, because you'll pull into this hitch here if you don't. No, towards your right. Go towards your right. Okay, now start angling down. That's sketchy by any account. I'm about to get run over. Okay, you're gonna want to start straightening her out a little bit. Wheels towards me, wheels towards me. And nice and slow. Holy shit, dude. There you go, you're... If that thing rolls, it's coming my way. Okay, you're down. There you go. Oh. That was scary just watching it. For the record, I've never actually led anyone down a hill, so everything I'm saying is just gibberish.
Oh, I know, I could feel it go this way, and I was like, I have to go the direction it's gonna want to look.
Alright, if you want to clear the way, I'm gonna come down. Alright, now for the old 4Runner. We don't have the tires for this.